Hey guys, so I have a really cool machine that we just got in, and this is the Asus Zenbook Pro Duo. This is the UX581G. This is a really cool laptop, so check this out. On the surface, looks pretty basic, kind of like an old Asus, but you turn it over on the side, you can see there's ventilations there. We got headphone jack, Thunderbolt 3.0, and USB 3.0 on here. On the other side, we have more ventilation. We have another USB 3.0. We have HDMI and the power jack there. Now this one's pretty cool actually, because how it opens up, pops up. You can see it kind of lifts the whole thing right there. Actually pretty cool. Actually gives it more ventilation, so there's a little bit of a gap underneath there. So if you lift it up, you can tell me, what is this? You can't even really tell from the angle I'm showing here. This is actually a secondary screen. This is a keyboard. This is a touchpad. And you can kind of see on this angle a little bit more what I'm talking about. So when we have it open up, it actually looks really nice. You can see there's actually two screens. The one down here, it's called the ScreenPad Plus, and it's a 14-inch. Actually, it's a 14-inch screen. It's 4K UHD. It's 3840 by 1100, so it's not the full 4K, but it's LCD matte. And the reason that it's matte is actually because if you have these two screens, one's glossy and one's matte, if you had two glossy, the one would actually reflect off the other. So, and you would get an image that you would see all the time, especially if you're in a bright place. So the screen here itself, it's actually a 4K UHD OLED screen. And this is a 15-inch screen. And this all is packed by the i7 9750H processor. It's really nice, really cool. It's a 1TB NVMe SSD. It's an RTX 2060 graphics card. It's really cool. You can see how nice the keyboard is. It's a little bit lower. It actually gives a little bit more space. The trackpad's a little bit of a strange one because of how it's located and where it is located and everything. But actually looks really cool, really beautiful. So this is an OLED touchscreen, and this is a LCD touchscreen. Now you do get the benefit of having the beautiful OLED and the beautiful black levels and everything that go with that. This is actually considered a secondary display. So if you go under the display settings, you can see that there are actually two different displays, and that is what's considered underneath this bottom one here. Now you can multitask. You can make them two separate displays, so you can multitask and snap and do all these other things. Maybe for reading, maybe for just browsing something, just as you may be watching a video or doing other productivity work. It looks really cool. It's a very strange actually touchscreen. I actually think it doesn't feel like a super high quality, maybe because it's the matte. When you touch it, it does feel a little bit stiff. It feels like one of those old Android phones or something. But it's very responsive, as you can see. It's just kind of going exactly how I go up and down. It's really cool. It's very nice. I really actually enjoy the OLED screen that's on this display. Now you get those inky blacks. Now you do get those very, very, very rich colors. The beautiful display. All that stuff. You get the very vibrant colors. Very beautiful, very rich. Inky blacks. Now the whites aren't quite as good on versus an LCD, but that's really the only trade-off. It's one of the best picture qualities you can possibly get today. Just go look at your smartphone. It probably does have an OLED, and you can really tell the difference when you watch videos or do something like that. So it really makes a nice difference. So anyways guys, thanks a lot for watching. That was just a quick look at the Asus Zenbook Pro Duo UX581G. It's pretty cool the way the direction the industry is going to go with it. You know, they got some cool new laptops coming up. Let's see what else CES is going to have to offer. It's coming up pretty soon too. Please leave a like down below if you enjoyed this video. Please give a comment what you think about this laptop. Just a quick little look. But would you ever get one? I mean, it's usually close to 3,000, maybe it's like 2,500, 3,000. But it's a really nice machine. It's a real way forward for the industry. It's really something cool that we haven't really seen in quite a while. I really did enjoy it too. But anyways, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you have a good one. Bye.